Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer, and in this video we're gonna talk about filtering process in the Haskell, in which we will use this filter operation or function, whatever you wanna say. And if you are enrolled in any master's or bachelor program, you can always contact me on this WhatsApp and email to discuss about your coursework or projects you are working on. Okay, let's get started with the filter and the main topic of the video, right? The main is equal to do. That's what I'm making a main block which will be executed whatever I will write in it. Okay, and let's make it small and create a list, right? I will just say let my list equal, and I will just keep it simple: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, right? And let's filter it and use some conditioning in it, right? I will just say, yeah, okay, so I would say let filter list. So this will be my filtered list, which will be like uh, passing through a condition whatever I set, right? And then we'll use our filter operation, and what this want is a condition for this first operation and then our list, right? So let's just remove it and give it a condition. I would just say let's print out the elements which are greater than choose a number 4, right? And then I will just pass my list here, my list. Okay, and let's just print it, print filtered list. And in the Haskell, with the naming of this variable, make sure that you use small letter or small case in the starting of the naming, right? Otherwise it will just give you warnings. Okay, so we got no warnings now, all clear. Let's just run it, and you can see we got all the elements which are greater than 4. So that's the main motive of this filter operation. And obviously if it will be using in a larger project, or the scale of the project is like big, then it can play many roles, but I just wanted to show a demo, right? And that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and you can contact me if you have any questions about it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.